Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If I took away your motivation, your confidence, your excuses, what would still push your life forward? Because 5 years from now, you won't be living the life you dreamed of. You'll be living the life your daily habits quietly built. And there is one habit, just one, that will decide whether you grow or slowly disappear. It's not waking up at 5 a.m. It's not reading books. It's not journaling. It's not even discipline. Those are tools. I'm talking about something deeper, something invisible, something you are already doing, but doing wrong, and it's costing you years. We live in a strange time. Never before have humans had more information, more opportunities, more freedom, yet never before have people felt more confused, more distracted, more stuck. We scroll, we save videos, we watch motivation, but our lives don't change. Why? Because consumption has replaced action. Let me talk about the habit, but after knowing the habit, don't go anywhere, because I've got proven solution of how to handle it, and if you really want to see yourself on the level of your dreams. Pause with me. The one habit that decides your future is what you do immediately after you learn something. Not what you know, not what you plan, but what you do next. Most people learn, feel inspired, then do nothing. And the brain learns a dangerous lesson. Learning equals no action. That's not growth. That's self-deception. Neuroscience calls this action bias encoding. When you act immediately after learning, your brain releases dopamine plus norepinephrine, which locks the behavior into long-term memory. But when you don't act, the brain weakens the neural pathway. Translation: every time you don't act on what you learn, you train your brain to ignore future motivation. That's why motivation feels weaker every year. This is painful to hear, but necessary. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just overeducated and underexecuted. You know what to do. You've known for years. But knowing without doing creates silent self-hatred. That voice that whispers at night, "I could have been more." 5 years from now, one version of you will say, "I'm glad I started when I felt scared." Another version will say, "I knew this, I just didn't act." Same intelligence, same potential, but different habit. In today's world, the most dangerous trap isn't failure, it's feeling productive without progress. Watching videos, listening to podcasts, taking notes, but no movement. The modern epidemic isn't ignorance, it's delayed execution. Here's the rule that changes everything. Learn, act for 2 minutes, then stop. Not perfect action, not big action, just 2 minutes. Send the message, write the first sentence, do one push-up, open the file. Action doesn't follow motivation. Motivation follows action. When you act immediately, you stop trusting feelings and start trusting yourself. That's strength. That's how confidence is built, not felt. Small actions today create a version of you that your future self will thank. So before this video ends, don't save it, don't like it, don't scroll. Do one small thing you've been postponing, because 5 years from now won't be decided by luck. It will be decided by what you do right after this moment.